As increased global warming leads to climate change and the rapid growth in urban India brings in challenges, Seeds is on a journey to reclaim, revive and rejuvenate these wetlands and urban water bodies. This transformation has been possible only by working with communities, local partners and government agencies. Seeds believes in empowering communities to become the custodians of these important carbon sinks. The work also supports livelihood solutions for many. From the Sundarbans to Gurugram to Bengaluru, now every village and city in India needs to come forward to save and harness these precious gifts of nature.
गांगे जुआरे लो फिरे तुमी एले कोई